Ah, Nagkaroon una ng invitation. Ito po yung invitation ng Ministry of Health ng bansang Indonesia. Because talagang convinced sila sa ating explanation at sa ating mga ginawa para talagang maaksyonan na at mabigyan na ng patotoo ang ating pinaglalalaban. Ngayon, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga concerned person from the Ministry of Health of Indonesia. This is Doktora Agustini Banun. Doktora Agustini Banun for her effort to sign the official invitation to present the Fabunan antiviral injection in her office. At nangyari po yun, bago po nangyari yun, nagkaroon po kami ng 2 hours Zoom conference with different levels, doctors, directors in the Ministry of Health of Indonesia. And with the presence, of course, palakpakan natin ang napakahusay na sagot, napakahusay na pagbibigay ng presentation about the Fabunan antiviral injection, si Dr. Willie Fabunan and family. Yan, mabuhay kayo. Ang Zoom conference namin, it took 2.5 hours at marami pong naka-monitor na mga minister level ng Ministry of Health of Jakarta, Indonesia. So, iyan po. Siyempre, magpasalamat tayo sa presence ni Dr. Agustini Banun, Director of Pharmaceutical Production and Distribution, and of course Miss Awanda Mamahit, WHO Technical Officer, and Dr. Makentur JM Mamahit, Spokesman, Supervisor of 5th biggest hospital in Indonesia, and he was a former head of all government hospitals in the whole Indonesia. And of course, his wife is the former Minister of Health of Indonesia. Ang clinical trial ay mapagbibigyan na at magaganap dito sa Indonesia. And they're very happy na at napaka-receptive nila dahil talagang pinag-aralan at tinignan din ang ating gamot. At nakita nila ang potential at talagang I'm very very happy. Meron kaming time frame na gagawin ito at they will guide us accordingly because yung government meron silang mga binigay na mga steps para maumpisahan kaagad yung clinical trial, and nagbigay sila kaagad ng guidelines sa atin, yung parang FDA dyan, yung National Agency of Drug and Food Control nila, parang ganon. And then yung mga necessary documents for clinical studies, they will provide, they will help us. Ang ginusto lang natin ay mapatunayan at talagang mabigyan na ng break ang Fabunan antiviral injection. Just imagine the way they ask questions to our Dr. Fabunan, talagang very professional at very receptive sila. They understand what they are talking. They understand that 2 medicines are not dangerous drugs. Ito na yung sinasabi natin na break na ito. It's a break. Yung iniisip nyo pa lang na i-deal na sa ibang bansa, nagkaroon na po ako ng time frame sa Pilipinas na pag hindi to maabot ay ito na ang next step. Plan A, Plan B, Plan C. And Asian countries, unang tumanggap sa atin. It's a blessed and a very very big country itong Indonesia. So dito ay magmumula ang FAI at papunta rin sa Pilipinas. Tutulong din sa mga Pilipino na nangangailangan ng gamot na ito. So salamat sa inyong suporta at ako ay talagang lubos-lubos na nagpapasalamat